Marhaba, this is Razan. This lesson is Arabic expressions number 14. And in this lesson, we're going to learn the following expression. I am feeling. حاسس حالي. يلا, let's start. I am feeling as a man, or he is feeling, or you are feeling is حاسس. I am feeling as a female, or she is feeling, or you are feeling, to a woman, حاسة. Plural, they are feeling, or you are feeling, or we are feeling is حاسين. Now, someone's feeling can also be expressed by saying حاسس, I am feeling as a man here, plus adding the word حال, and حال means self. And after حال, we add the possessive adjective E. حالي, حاسس حالي, which literally means I feeling myself. حاسس حالي. Now the word حال must take the appropriate possessive adjective suffixes as follow. He is feeling حاسس حاله. حاسس حاله. She is feeling, you could either say حاسة حالها, حاسة حالها, or حاسة حالها. حاسة حالها. They are feeling, you could either say حاسين حالهن, حاسين حالهن, or حاسين حالن, حاسين حالن. I am feeling as a man. حاسس حالي. حاسس حالي. I am feeling as a female. حاسة حالي. حاسة حالي. You are feeling, talking to a man. حاسس حالك. حاسس حالك. You are feeling, talking to a woman. حاسة حالك. حاسة حالك. You are feeling, talking to plural. حاسين حالكن. حاسين حالكن. We are feeling, حاسين حالنا. حاسين حالنا. And now there's another way also of expressing I am feeling is by saying حاسس plus adding the word in plus possessive adjective E. حاسس إني, which literally means I feeling that I. حاسس إني. حاسس إني. Now I will add the possessive adjective to the word in order to make this sentence, he is feeling that. حاسس إنه. حاسس إنه. She is feeling that. You could either say حاسة إنها, حاسة إنها, or حاسة إنها. حاسة إنها. They are feeling that. حاسين إنهن, حاسين إنهن, or حاسين إنن. حاسين إنن. I am feeling that as a man. حاسس إني. حاسس إني. I am feeling that as a female. حاسة إني. حاسة إني. You are feeling that as a man, to a man, sorry. حاسس إنك. حاسس إنك. You are feeling that to a woman. حاسة إنك. حاسة إنك. You are feeling that to plural. حاسين إنكن. حاسين إنكن. We are feeling that. حاسين إنا. حاسين إنا. Now I will show you some examples. For example, talking to a man. بشو حاسس? What are you feeling? بشو حاسس? Omar replies, حاسس حالي مرضان. I'm feeling sick. Literally means I feeling myself sick. حاسس حالي مرضان. Another example now, talking to a woman. بشو حاسة? What are you feeling? بشو حاسة؟ رزان replies حاسة إني مرضانة. I'm feeling sick. Literally means I feeling that I sick. حاسة إني مرضانة. Another example. ليش ما راح عمر على الحفلة؟ Why didn't Omar go to the party? ليش ما راح عمر على الحفلة؟ رزان replied لأنه كان حاسس حاله تعبان. Because he was feeling tired. لأنه كان حاسس حاله تعبان. Now let's have a recap. I'm feeling as a man حاسس حالي. حاسس حالي. Another way of saying it. حاسس إني. حاسس إني. Word recap now. In be what شو I am feeling as a man or he is or you are to a man. حاسس I am feeling as a woman or she is or you are to a woman. حاسة you are to a group. They are or we are feeling. حاسين. Self is حال. Myself, whether I was a man or a woman, حالي. That I am, whether I was a man or a woman, إني. I am sick as a man. مرضان. I am sick as a woman. مرضانة. Why ليش. Not ما. Go راح. To the party الحفلة. Because he لأنه was كان tired as a man تعبان. Here's the pronunciation and some information notes. Please read it at your leisure. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. يلا باي.